DJI Mini 5 Pro Charging Hub. The charging hub can charge batteries, accumulate power from multiple batteries to one battery, and supply power to external devices. Charging batteries. Mount the battery to the charging hub, and then press the battery until you hear a click. Connect the charging hub to a power outlet using a USB-C charger. If the charging power of the charger is 45 watts or above, the charging hub can charge two batteries simultaneously. If the charging power of the charger is less than 45 watts, then the charging hub will charge the batteries in sequence based on their battery levels, from the highest to the lowest. The status LEDs blink in sequence during charging and turn solid on when the battery is fully charged. Power bank. With batteries inserted, the hub can be used as a power bank to supply power to external devices. Connect the external device to the USB-C port of the charging hub. Press the function button. Batteries will be discharged based on their battery levels from the lowest to the highest supplying power to the external device such as phones and remote controller. To stop charging the external device, disconnect the external device from the charging hub. Power accumulation. Mount multiple batteries on the charging hub. Press and hold the function button for 3 seconds to start transferring the power from the batteries with a lower power level to the battery with the highest power level. The status LEDs for the batteries with a lower power level will display the current power level, while the status LEDs for the battery with a high power level will blink in sequence. To stop accumulating power, press and hold the function button for 3 seconds again. After stopping power accumulation, press the function button to check the power level of the batteries. After accumulating power, charge the battery with the lowest power level as soon as possible to avoid over-discharge.